Hey guys, welcome to Digital Digest, and in this video I'm going to show you how to add admin on Facebook page. So to do that, first go to facebook.com and log into your account, and once you're in your account you can see various options on your left hand side. So here click on professional dashboard, and now all you have to do is click on settings. So once you're here, select any page that you want to add the admin. So here you can see the option for page access. Click on page settings, and now click on new page experience. So here you can add people, so click on next and type the name of the person that you want to add as an admin. So select the person and then click on give access, and now enter your password and then click on confirm after entering your password. So that way you will give the person admin on Facebook page. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one.